If you are writing chemistry in JAMB, this year's JAMB, this is your area of concentration or the syllabus. This syllabus contains the topics you should read. So I will be reading out those topics, giving you those topics one by one for chemistry in this year's JAMB. The first topic here, this is the official syllabus, is separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances. That's the first topic. Under it, we have pure and impure substances, boiling and melting point, elements, compounds and mixtures, chemical and physical changes, separation processes. You know the separation processes, which include evaporation, simple and fractional distillation, and all the rest. The second topic for chemistry in JAMB this year is chemical combination. Chemical combination, which involve laws of definite, multiple and reciprocal proportion, laws consisting of matter, Gay-Lussac law of combination of volume, Avogadro law, and all of them. The third topic for physics this year is kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. Kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. Kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. If you go to your physics textbook, your chemistry textbook, you should be able to find these things, those topics. You should also know laws. The laws, gas law like Bode's law, Charles law, Graham's law, and Dalton's law of partial pressure. Combined gas law, molar volume, atomicity of gases. Ideal gas equation, that is the normal PV equals to nRT. You know those things. The fourth topic for chemistry is atomic structure and bonding. You know, atomic structure and bonding, you should know those things. So you go both periodic tables and all the rest, chemical bonding, covalency, electrovalency, and all the electronic configuration and all the rest. Once you go to your textbook, you should be able to see them. Under it, you also have shapes of molecules, linear molecules, non-linear molecules, and pyramidal molecules. Nuclear chemistry, nuclear reactions, all the rest. The fifth topic is air. Air. Once you go to your chemistry textbook, I think you are Babio and other relevant chemistry textbooks, you should be able to find each of these topics I'm mentioning. The next topic that will come out with the calculation is water. Water will come out. Both treatment of water, crystallization, efflorescence, delinquence, hygroscopy, and all the rest. The next topic is solubility. Solubility. But before we go on, I encourage you, I want you to pause now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just find the subscription button, subscribe to it immediately. If you subscribe, you will be able to see other videos we have posted, other tutorials we have posted. We have posted tutorials even on chemistry, mathematics, physics, use of English, and all the rest. It will help you as you are preparing. And if you subscribe now, go to the comment section and tell me that you subscribed. Just comment that you subscribed, and I will send you this document to your email address or to your WhatsApp so that you can download the PDF and you be able to study it personally and look at these topics very well. Okay, just go and subscribe and tell me that you subscribed. The next topic is solubility. Solubility. After solubility, we have environmental pollution, everything about pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution. Then the ninth topic is acid, bases, and salt. Acid, bases, and salt. If you get this material, you look at it in depth. Then we now have oxidation and reduction, which we often call redox reaction. Then 10th topic for chemistry, JAMB this year, is electrolysis. Then the 12th topic is energy changes. There are many subtopics under it: entropy, enthalpy, spontaneity of reaction, and all the rest. When you get the material I will send to you, if you subscribe, you can be able to study it in depth. Then we have rates of chemical reaction. Rates of chemical reaction. Then 14th topic is chemical equilibria. Those are the topics, scheme of work, area of concentration for your JAMB this year. The 15th topic is non-metals and their compounds. Non-metals and their compounds. When you get this topic, this material, you'll be able to look at them in depth. Non-metals and their compound. The 16th topic is metals and their compound. Metals and their compound. A lot of them. Iron, copper, tin, alloys. Then organic compound is the 17th topic, which has to do with aliphatic hydrocarbons, alkanes, and all the rest. Alkenes, alkynes, aromatic hydrocarbons, alkanols, alkanals and alkanones. Okay. Carbohydrates, proteins, polymers, and all the rest. Then the 18th topic for JAMB this year in chemistry is chemistry and industry. Chemistry and industry. So these 18 topics are the topics you should expect in your JAMB this year. If you need this material, subscribe and tell me that you subscribe. I will send this material to you immediately to your email or your WhatsApp, and you'll be able to use it and prepare for your chemistry. I wish you good luck as you prepare.